Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity for fresher developers. The role is Java developer and many more. So without wasting your time, let's move to the hiring. Before we start the discussion, like the video, smash the subscribe. First we have from Barclays. Barclays is looking for Java engineer. The location is Pune. Here is it. You can read this. And those who don't know about Barclays, Barclays is a British multinational universal bank. So let's move to the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life as a Barclays employee. You have to develop and deliver high-quality software solution. With that, you have to collaborate with cross-functional team, project managers, designers, and other engineers for their requirements. Similarly, you are participate in code review. Additionally, you have to stay up to date with new technology. With that, you are also handling implementation of effective unit test practices. So let's move to the requirement for this role. Have knowledge of Java, Spring Boot, RESTful web services. With that, good understanding of microservices design patterns, and have some knowledge of modern database technology and testing framework, and many more. Here is it. You can read this. You get the link of this page in the description box, and this is for fresher. If you are interested for this role, just go and apply. Next we have from Adobe. Adobe is looking for software development engineer. The location is Noida. Here is it, and here is about the company. You can read this if you don't know about Adobe. Adobe is also multinational company. So let's move to the responsibility of the candidate. You have to produce high quality software solutions, write scalable code. Additionally, you are also handle diverse data source. In line with that, you are also work closely with customers and teammates. Let's move to the requirement for this role. BTech, MS or similar in computer science. Students are welcome to apply for this role, but you have to proficient in Java, JavaScript, Python, cloud and web services. And even with that, you also have interest in AI technology and many more. Here is it. You can read this. You get the link of this page in the description box. This is also for fresher. If you are interested for this role, just go and apply by clicking on this button. Next we have from Google Web Solution Engineer University graduate 2025. I have already posted about this hiring, not closed right now. So those are interested for Google hiring, just go and apply. You get the link of this hiring in the description box also. The location is Gurgaon. So that's it for today's video. Bye bye. Best of luck for your assessment round. Catch you later.